Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a nickname to your Facebook account. Adding a nickname to your Facebook account will make it easily for people to find you on Facebook. So guys, want to know how to add a nickname to your Facebook account? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app. So guys, once you open up your Facebook app, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Facebook profile icon. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see it there. It's been juxtaposed with the 3 horizontal bar. You can see it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here now what you have to do now is to tap on the settings icon. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Then under the audience and visibility, what you have to tap on there is the profile details. You can see there, that's the second option. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, here now what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Then under there that you have other names, you can see what is written there. They say add other names. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see what is written there at the top, nickname. So what you have to do now is to go ahead to write your nickname, and for you to do that you have to tap on where it is written name. So let me tap on it. So let me go ahead to write my nickname. My nickname is Emmy. So guys, you can see now I've written my nickname. So guys, the next thing that you have to do now is to mark that on checkbox. You can see there. Once you mark that checkbox, now you're telling Facebook to show your nickname at the top of your profile. You can see what is written there, show at the top of your profile. So guys, let me go ahead to toggle it on. Let me mark it now. So guys, and also you're going to see what is written there. Let me read it out loud. Other names are always public and help people to find you on Facebook. So guys, can see this is your nickname now. If people can actually use it to search for you on Facebook, and they'll be able to find you. So guys, once you're done inputting your nickname and you've marked the unchecked box, what you have to do now is to tap on save. Once you tap on save now, your nickname will be saved. So guys, there's something I want to show you. You can see over there that they have the nickname. You can see that they have a drop down icon there. Let me tap on it to show you guys. So guys, you can see under the drop down icon we have other names. You can see nickname is the first one, the second one is median name, the third one is alternate spelling, the fourth one is married name, the fifth one is father's name, the sixth one is birth name, the seventh one is former name, the eighth one is name with title, while the last one is others. So guys, you can see I chose the first one, nickname. That's why you can see that nickname was chosen. So let me choose another name now. You're going to see that it's going to change. So let me choose the second option, which is median name. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has changed from nickname to maiden name. So let me go back to change it back to nickname. Then let me choose nickname. So guys, now the next thing to do now is to tap on save. So let me tap on save. You can see the arrow pointing at it below. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my nickname has been added. You can see what is written there, shown at the top of profile. So guys, let me go over to my profile now to confirm if my nickname is there. Let me go over to my profile. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see this is my profile and you can see my nickname there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at it. This is so awesome. So guys, I've been able to show you guys how you can actually add a nickname to your Facebook account, how you can actually add other names to your Facebook account, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.